Alright, what's going on, guys? So I planned on starting wiring the truck today, but I went to move it out of the garage so I could get to my workbench, and it wouldn't start. So today I'm working on the carburetor instead. So a little bit of backstory. This is the stock carburetor that I took off. It was junk. I rebuilt it. That helped a little bit, but yeah. Anyway, it needed to be replaced. This is a slightly newer one off of a slightly newer truck that honestly I don't even know what truck it came off of. Someone gave it to me for free, and it was a little bit better than this one, so I've been running it for a few years, but it's honestly not much better, and I rebuilt it and that helped a little bit, but now I'm starting to have issues with it again. As you guys have seen before, I've had fueling issues, and now I'm not so sure that fuel pressure was my problem. I think it was just this junk carburetor. So before I started recording, I kind of tweaked it a little bit, and I got it running good enough that I think I can at least get it out of the garage. So what this short little quickie video is going to be about is this new carburetor I have has this temperature autochoke guy on it. It's a pain. It's worn out. It chokes when it's not supposed to, and it stays wide open when I need the choke, and I don't like it. I want to get rid of it. So I want to see if the manual choke from this carburetor, if I can modify it to make it work on the new one, and then I can actuate the choke with my pull cable inside the cab. So I'm going to pull all this nonsense off real quick and see how close this comes to bolting up to it. Hopefully it will. It looks like it's going to be close, but I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. Hopefully this should be a quick little video, not take too long. So yeah, let's get into it. That'll bolt right up. So now I've got to swap this linkage for that one. Is that rotated all? Yeah, I was supposed to, I suppose. Alright, so my GoPro died, so I didn't get to record all of the hackery that I did, but it's in there now. It didn't go together as easily as I had hoped it would, but it went together better than I expected it to. So I had to use a mishmash of parts. This is from the old one, this whole assembly is from the old one. This piece, I'll get you a little closer. This bracket is from the old carb. This came off the old carb. This whole linkage is from the old carb. This piece right here, I had to make a spacer to fit there. That is from this carb, but I hacked a bunch of stuff off of it and made it way smaller than it needed to be. This mount for this guy bolted up like that, so that mount was bolted to this, but it came out to like here and was in the way of this guy, so I had to clearance that. And this bracket also rubbed on this mount down here, which honestly I probably could have clearanced that instead because I don't need this anymore. But so I had to clearance the back side of it a little bit to get it to work. But yeah, all said and done, that was a nice, easy little afternoon project to do after work, and now I have a manual choke again, and hopefully that'll help at least some of the carburation issues I was having. But I don't think that's going to solve the majority of my issues. I think I just need to chuck it and get a nice, shiny, pretty new carburetor and quit dealing with it. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this quick, short little video of me playing carburetors, and I'll be doing more stuff soon, hopefully. So I'll see y'all later.